was taken by his mom, Tamara Jean Vanderjag.
Hawken is a white male with blonde hair, wearing a red sweater.
Holy!
He was wearing a black hood, male with blonde hair, wearing a red The Outlander, brown in color, Alberta license plate, NLY,
and was last seen westbound 9.
And was last seen westbound 9
and was
Avenue
last
southeast, going past Blackfoot Trail. Do not approach the suspect. Please contact the police if you have any information. For details, visit
Hawken is a white man with wearing a red sweater, green boots, and dark camouflage sweatpants. Hawken's mom, Tamara, is a 40-year-old white female with bright, short, red hair. She was wearing a black hoodie and red pants. Tamara was driving a 2017 Mitsubishi Outlander, brown in color, Alberta license plate, NLY991, and was last seen westbound 9 Avenue Southeast, going past Blackfoot Trail. Do not approach the suspect. Please contact the police if you have any information.
Make a point.
Protesters are expected.
Sworn in its first female president, Xiomara.
Blackfoot Trail. Do not approach the suspect. Contact the police if you have any information.
It's okay.
For details.